name?
你叫什么名字？
Sorry, my Chinese is not good.
不好意思，我的中文不好。
Thank you.
谢谢，
Your Chinese is very good.
你的中文很好。
Can you speak English?
你会说英语吗？
How are you?
你怎么样？
Can you say it again?
可不可以再说一遍？
Where do you come from?
你从哪里来？ All right, y'all. It is day 10 of trying to learn Mandarin. And I've been writing an essay all day. I still got more to write. And I almost forgot to do the phrase of the day. And today I learned 你多大? That probably sounds completely wrong. It means how old are you? But just trying to stay accountable by small and simple means are great things brought to pass. 再见。
妈马马马
妈妈妈妈
Okay, so I will teach you a phrase in Chinese for girls, which is "You're beautiful." It's 你很漂亮。
你还表演
你很漂亮。
你表
Which like first is 你 you 你 like I mean N words 你
你
很
和
很
漂
亮
亮
yeah
你和很漂亮
yes 你很漂亮 yeah say that to the girls yeah
Nice to meet you in Chinese. 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。
What are you doing?
你在干嘛？
What did you do today?
你今天做了什么？你今天做了什么？
What do you like to eat most?
你最喜欢吃什么？你最喜欢吃什么？
Chinese is super easy. 猜踩踩菜 Got it?
在。
Thanks for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1、2、3、4、5。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
Where are you going?
你去哪儿？ You know what, guys? Gonna be honest, I almost forgot about the daily phrase, but I did have the opportunity to talk to a friend named Chen, and he was teaching me some Mandarin today. But as I've heard people say, if you want someone to keep going, you say, 加油, 加油. So, yeah, that's my phrase of the day. 再见. All right, it's currently 2:30 a.m. I don't want to talk about it. We're gonna count this as yesterday's, even though it's technically today, but it doesn't matter because 我很兴奋. Did I say that right? 再见.
Let's go to the park together, shall we?
我们一起去公园玩，好不好？
I am from Canada.
我来自加拿大。
I am 21 years old.
我21岁了。
Sorry.
对不起。
Good morning.
早上好。
Take care.
保重。
Can you swim?
你会不会游泳？
Okay.
可以。明天见。
No problem.
没问题。
Do you understand?
你听懂吗？
Sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
不好意思，我听不懂，请慢慢说。
How to say it in Chinese?
用中文这么说。
How about we have dinner together?
我们一起吃饭，怎么样？
Where are you?
你在哪里？
Where is your friend?
你的朋友呢？
男朋友，我饿了。
我也饿了。
What do you do?
你做什么工作？
I want to eat.
我想吃东西。
I'll treat you.
我请你。
Great.
太好了，
I'm full.
我吃饱了。
I am at BYU to study Chinese.
我在 BYU 学习中文。
A54.
我们在哪里啊？
我们在中国。
一、一、一、一。
一。
What do you want to eat for breakfast? I want to eat pancakes.
你早上想吃什么？我想吃松饼。
What are you doing tonight? I am going to watch a movie.
你今天晚上要做什么？我要去看电影。
What day is today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
今天星期几？星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期日。
What time is it? It is 10 a.m.
现在几点？现在上午10点。
How many do you want?
你要几个？
Okay.
好的。
Sorry, no phrase today. Starting a new study program. Learning the Hanzi movie method. I know.
我知道。干。
干
Half.
半。
Person.
人。
From.
从。
Enter.
入。
What?
神。
Noon.
午。
Half a year.
半年。
Mouth.
口。
Midday.
中午。
Cry.
叫。
8.
八。
Single.
指。
Introduce.
借。
Child.
儿。
4.
四。
Learning Mandarin character. 22 week 12, day 85. Elder brother.
相
Exchange.
对。
Say.
说。
Learning Mandarin Day 88.
我们在中国。大的中文很好。
Ni hao. Today is day 90 of learning Mandarin, and the character I learned today is qi, which means air or gas, according to Google Translate. Anyway, 再见. 早上好. This is day 91 of learning Zhongwen, Mandarin for those who don't know. The first character I learned is said Fei, which means fly. Second character is pronounced Kuang, which means situation. The third character I learned is said Er, which means sun or day. We got this, guys. 再见. Ni hao. This is day 92 of learning Zhongwen, Mandarin. Today was pretty good. Listened to the Mandarin from the Ground Up podcast for a couple hours. Listened to some learn, listen, and repeat practice for an hour or so. And also just some immersion files from Mandarin Blueprint. It's just someone speaking Mandarin in the background. I did learn one character, Qiu, which means old, at least in certain contexts. Yeah, 再见. Day 93 of learning Mandarin. The character I learned today is this one, pronounced Dan, which means daybreak. Listen to a ton of listen and repeat practice today at work. We got this. 加油, 加油. Day 94 of learning Mandarin. This is the character I learned today, pronounced Dan, and it means but. I also reviewed 50-something flashcards. Life is good. 再见. 晚上好. Psych, it's the morning. About to start the grind. We got 70 flashcards to start off the day. And I'm gonna learn 早. Too stubborn to quit. 再见. Ni hao. It is day 97. I'd be lying if I said I didn't feel discouraged. This morning I went to do flashcards and there were 80 flashcards to review. And all of the characters that I learned a couple days ago, I forgot, which was the first time that happened. And so naturally I was doubting my capabilities, but I know God is with me, and as long as I keep giving it my all, one day I will be able to speak 中文. 再见. Day 98 of learning 中文. I learned my 45th character today, pronounced 化, meaning transform. I also finished phase 1 of this course I'm taking, and you got a couple more in the free version, and I think I'm going to focus on this for the next few days. 我很好. 再见. Day 99 of learning 中文.
She and I both don't understand what we hear.
他和我都听不懂.
他和我都听不懂。
Woohoo! Day 100 of learning Mandarin. Rate my tones. Ma, 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 ma.